Well, this is just a 60-second taster. As I said, this is just a short 60-second video to see if anyone, wants to have a look at the inside of this Dynatron Mazurka stereo. There's the amplifier section. As you can see, the amplifier section is covered in coming up to 50 years of dust, and I think some of the components on the underneath, the capacitors, are going to be a bit off by now. I'm not sure if they've been worked on. Put in the comments down below, would you like to see this rebuilt and would you like to see it working? So it's up to you whether I carry on and finish off a restoration on it. Oh well, catch you on the next one.